Hello, I want to demonstrate in this video how to remove and reinstall the dresser drawers and also nightstand drawers for your bamboo furniture collection. Sometimes you're going to want to take the drawers out if you have to move it up a few flights of stairs. So getting them back in, it just takes one special little trick, and I'm going to guide you through that and make it really simple and easy. So first thing you want to do is remove your drawers, and you're going to want to number them so that you're basically going to put them back in the same spot. So we're going to call this one, this is going to be right bottom. You always want to put them back in the same exact location. This one is right middle. And then on this last drawer, I'll show you actually how to remove the drawer. You pull it out all the way. And underneath here, there are two blue plastic tabs. And what you want to do is squeeze those tabs towards the outside of the drawer, like so. And then pull the drawer out. This one is the right top. So then, to reinstall them, you want to start with the top drawer and work your way down. So included with your dresser should have been this rectangular black square metal piece, and this is used to reinstall your drawers. So go ahead and pull your tracks all the way out. Put the drawer back onto those tracks. And then if you look below, you're going to see it's about right there. You go ahead and put your piece of metal right on the rail here. And you see this little, there's a little nub that comes out there, a little kind of a nail. You close it like so, and you give it a little tap, and you can hear it lock in. And you do it on the other side. Until you hear it engage. Pull the drawer out to make sure it's good. So that one's in. Same with this one. Right between the rail. You can hear it click like so. It's locked in. And the bottom drawer is the same way. That's it. Very easy.
I'm going to try that on a higher door.